In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With Microsoft Edge, because it's pre-built into the Microsoft operating system, whether that's Windows 11 or 10, it can be a bit more complicated to uninstall. However, there's still a way to uninstall Microsoft Edge. To get started from your desktop, come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click into the search box, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. From here, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto apps, and in here you want to find default apps, give that a click. And what you're going to want to do in here is set a default app for your new browsers. So let's go ahead and search for Google Chrome in our apps down here, give that a click. And at the top, it's going to say make Google Chrome your default browser. Of course, you would click to set default. Once that's done, make sure to scroll down and make sure everything is set to Google Chrome. There might be a few file extension types which you have to manually set. But after doing this, you can go ahead and close that down. Next, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser and then come across to Google and Google search for something called the Wise Uninstaller. So Wise Uninstaller, it's going to be the top result that comes up, which is wisecleaner.com. And what you want to do is completely free, so you just want to click the free download button, and then what you're going to do is just click and run through the steps to install the Wise Cleaner onto your PC or laptop. Once it's installed, you can leave the box ticked to launch the Wise Program Uninstaller and then click Finish. What that's going to do is open up the Wise Program Uninstaller. You just want to give it a minute or two to load through. When it initially loads through, it's going to gather all the apps on your PC. Now, the first thing you want to do is come over to the left hand side, click onto Desktop Apps, and at the search box at the top, you can type Edge into here, and it should locate Microsoft Edge. What you then want to do is give this a click, and you're going to see an option to force uninstall. So just here, give that a click, and then what you want to do is click yes to confirm. Now, what that should do is force uninstall Microsoft Edge from your PC or laptop, and after doing that, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side, click down here onto Microsoft Edge, and anything that's shown up here, you want to tick the box and click onto uninstall. After doing that, come up to Internet Explorer, and again, what we're going to do is tick these two boxes and click onto uninstall. Then all you need to do is go ahead, close this down and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, if you use the search box and type Microsoft Edge, it should no longer be coming up. Of course, I've still got Microsoft Edge because I personally use it, but of course, for yourself, it should no longer be coming up once you followed the steps in this tutorial. So that is how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.